Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we will read about a cat. A cat is a pet animal. Cats have soft fur. Now your turns to read. They have 4 legs and a tail. Cats like to drink milk. Now your turns to read. They can jump and climb. Cats make a sound called meow. Now your turns to read. Some cats are big and some are small. A baby cat is called a kitten. Now your turns to read. Now give the correct answers of the following questions. What is a cat? A pet animal. B, a bird. C, a fish. Answer. Cat is a pet animal. What do cats like to drink? A, water. B, milk. C, juice. Answer. Cats like to drink milk. What sound does a cat make? A, bark. B, meow. C, roar. Answer. A cat makes a sound called meow. What is a baby cat called? A, kitten. B, a puppy. C, a cub. Answer. A baby cat called a kitten. Good job, kids. See you in the next lesson. Subscribe to our channel to keep your learning adventure with us.